Right guys, welcome back to ESMOTOR UK. It's another day and we've got another 1000 horsepower Porsche. So we have that 991.2 sitting right behind me there. That's had an ES900 GT upgrade. So keep watching and stay tuned and we'll take you through to exactly what's been done and what numbers it got. Right guys, so the first thing you may notice with this car behind me is that it is a left-hand drive. So this was sent over from Europe and the owner has a, he loves to street race. So what better place to send it to than over here. So we decided to come up with a setup that's going to be great for street racing, either from a roll or from a quarter mile. He went with some suspension upgrades as well, and he's gone for R888 tyres all around as well. So the ES900 GT kit is a bolt-on turbo kit. It consists of GT turbos, G30 770s we have on this one, and full bolt-on including intercoolers, methanol injection, our exhaust system, custom headers, wastegates, dump valves, yeah, basically a full bolt-on setup. On top of that, this customer went for our billet intake manifold, so that just ensures some safety. We're taking out the plastic manifold and also it maximizes the power gains that is available from this setup. It's still on the stock engine and the clutch has also been upgraded to a Dodson because he's going to be doing a lot of drag racing, and yeah, we just wanted to make sure that the clutch is up to the task of all the races that he has planned with it, and that in future if he wanted more power then he's already got the foundations to build on from it. Right guys, so we're going to be taking this onto the dyno now, so let's see what kind of power we can make from it. We have an adjustable boost controller fitted as well, so we have different map settings and different boost settings for different types of driving. The other thing that I forgot to mention earlier is that it also has a WaveTrack LSD. Obviously when it comes to drag racing, grip off the line and launching is at the utmost importance. So with the WaveTrack LSD, we can maximize that launch strategy and make sure there's no one wheel pill, and then this thing will just take off the line like a bullet. But first off, let's get it on the dyno. So, okay guys, we're done with this ES900 on the dyno, and the power figures we'll go through now. So on wastegate pressure only, which is just 1 bar of boost with the boost controller off, it made 779 horsepower at the wheels. On map A, which was 16 PSI, it made 844 horsepower at the wheels. On map B, which is 18 PSI, it made 865 horsepower at the wheels. On map C, which was 20 PSI, it made 891 at the wheels. And on map D, his kill map, which is set to 22 PSI, which is about 1.55 bar, roughly, it made 902 at the wheels. So we've capped it there just because to keep the torque at a safe level. As you can see from the dyno graph, the torque is pretty flat. Once it comes on, it holds there, so it's not creeping any boost or anything like that. And it's it's going to be a very, very fast car on the road. I'm really excited to see what it does, because the way the power's coming in with such little boost, it just shows how efficient this billet intake manifold is, and this whole system is when tuned correctly. So it's really exciting for us to see it, and I think it's going to be quick, man. So yeah, let's get it on the road and see what it does.
Dan,
yeah.
What do you think we'll get on this one? I know you built this car, bro.
I think with this setup, yeah, with this setup, I think we're hit like a, I'm gonna say like a 3.9.
3.9.
Oh, 3.9.
I was gonna say 3.8.
3.8.
I was gonna say 3.8.
Yeah, I reckon
Wait,
this would be consistent 3.9s. If this does consistent 3.9s with this build, then then we're sorted. We're done. If it hits a 3.8, that's even better. But
yeah, but what do you think of our AAAs on the front?
They're heavy. Yeah, they're heavy. They are heavy tyres, and obviously with track as well. But I reckon if he had like Pilot Sport 4s in the front, R888s in the back, I think yeah, we'd probably do like a 3.8. But 3.9 with this setup would be mad.
You know what the worst thing is? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's been bloody raining all day. Today's Thursday, and the weather's a little bit better, but I think the tarmac's going to be cold.
Yeah, but it's been sunny all day though, so it's like 15 degrees here. If you're not watching it in the UK, we've got 15 degrees in a winter season. But you watch, come March, it's probably going to snow.
Well,
yesterday was like 6 degrees.
6, raining all day long.
All day long, yeah.
So listen boys, Jamie called. There's an OG battle tomorrow.
Sick.
So we need to take a car.
Which car?
It's up against an R8 twin turbo.
Take Morelli's one.
ES900. GT.
Yeah.
That should do the trick.
That will do the trick.
You
just need to hurry up and go out and get the decent number.
That's what I'm saying, it's only his testing, bro.
Okay.
So with last minute, innit?
Yeah, don't sleep on the line.
No, I don't sleep.
And don't
Even
jump
last time
either.
they said I jumped, I wasn't jumping. I was jumping like 5 camels. No, I actually wasn't jumping. Chad, was I jumping? Even you said I wasn't jumping, I actually wasn't jumping.
Yeah.
But listen, when you go through the slow motion, I think the reaction point, when it starts going, he goes. Which is the point, right?
That's when he's That's what you said, bro. As soon as the hand goes there, go.
That's it, go, yeah.
Everyone was jumping.
Everyone was jumping.
Everyone was jumping.
Apart from you.
Yeah, because I
It was a long day. So yeah, listen guys, we're going to take this ES900 now to the OG battles tomorrow morning. So yeah, we've done some good numbers on the street already. Let's see how it translates at Jamie's heartbreaker strip, because listen, whatever your car runs on the road, you go to that track and it's always slower. It's not easy on that track, and these guys know
It's hard.
they've raced it a few times. So
You're bouncing up and down most of the time though.
yeah. So yeah, watch out for that one. So just keep subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, then click that subscribe button and then watch out for the rest of the video.